Hi, this is Ron Jones from the Lean Brace, kinesiologist and corporate well coach. No, I'm not here to torture you today. These are tools we use to hang and suspend underneath a straight pull-up bar. Now the pull-up bar is a great tool on its own, and we can definitely do pull-ups and all kinds of really cool acrobatic drills, but in a corporate wellness setting like I work in every day, it's really a tool to just hang other stuff off of, so we can do regressions, or basically make it easier for people to do some kind of suspension work. So to give you a little overview, we're in a renaissance of fitness right now, where the last decade or so, a lot of these old methods have been coming back from 100 plus years ago. How people used to train decades ago is actually quite beneficial and also superior to some of the methods we're using today. And so these people were way more fit than we are today, and we're able to do some amazing things with their bodies that today we only see in acrobatic arenas like Cirque du Soleil. So some of these suspension trainers are part of that, system coming back from the old. So there are three levels of fitness, right? We got on the ground training, which prepares us to go off the ground. Off the ground is number two, and everything changes when you get off the ground. So we have a lot of suspension type trainers that are going to start initiating that hanging or body weight thing. And then third, of course, is self or national defense. So right now we're going to talk about some off the ground training or partially off the ground suspension tools. The first one, and again, this is a brief introduction. I'll do a complete little tutorial overview for each tool later. But this is the TRX, and it really paved the way for a lot of the interest in suspension work. It's been around for a while. We've been using it in corporate for quite a few years. We use it for strength, we use it for stretching, we use it for circuit training, and we use it a lot to help modify simple body weight squats and lunges for people that might have an injury or balance issues. So it's a great tool for senior citizens as well. It really modify and make it safer for them to start doing depth changes up to down. This is just a rope. My friends at Pacific Fiber made this for me. It's very old school. You can think of it as a poor boy's TRX. We did a podcast show with them. They make some of the fitness ropes that are shipped all over the world now. So if there's anything that can be made with a rope, Pacific Fiber in Long Beach can do it. These are the Jungle Gym units, and they have separate webbing straps. Unlike the TRX, it has one webbing strap that branches into two. These are two completely separate straps. They have a different type of foot stirrup, because you can do all kinds of leg exercises with them too, as well as a TRX. But I like the Jungle Gym better for the foot-oriented exercises, because these stirrups are hard, they're semi-hard, and they're also easier to clean. And in corporate, we're always worried about safety and are concerned with it, and also the hygiene in the gym. So we can wipe these off and clean them easier than the more porous handles on the TRX. But both are great units. These are just simple gymnastics rings. These rings are made out of wood, like a real gymnast would use, but they also come in plastic and metal. These are provided by Rogue Fitness, but there are a lot of other systems out there that make them as well. And this is the granddaddy of them all. I mean, the ultimate to me with suspension training is going to be the CrossCore 180 rotational trainer. I mean, there's nothing like it in the world. The thing absolutely rocks, and we can use it from rehab all the way to special forces in Afghanistan who are taking this in and do pilot work with it. And again, our rack system today is provided by CrossCore, an American company that we support 100% in the Pasadena area of Southern California. So these are just a few of the tools out there. These are the common ones we use quite a bit, and I'll go into a separate video with a couple of examples for each one of the tools. But again, think of the bar as not just a pull-up bar for military pull-ups, but a way to use other tools when it comes to suspension work. Get on the bar or hang from underneath of one. It's good for your health.